Good morning, guys. As you can tell from the title of this video, today is Subiefest 2021. It is October 17. It is currently 7:39 in the morning. I look super sleepy and super tired because last night I actually went to Horror Nights and we got home at 3 in the morning, so I got 3 hours of sleep. So I am not excited. I need coffee right now. I think we're gonna do a coffee run before we go. But yeah, so today I'm basically just gonna show you guys my little adventure. I'm super excited. I've never been to Subiefest before, so I honestly I can't wait to see all the Subarus like all together. Obviously my car is really stock, so it's gonna be interesting to look back at this video in the future, maybe next year. Hopefully I already have more mods or the year after, but yeah, I'm kind of doing it to document it. Also, side note, I am sorry I haven't been posting, but I've just got caught up with school and work, so I haven't had a chance to edit those videos. As you can see, I did cut my hair and I dyed it, so if this video comes out before the video that I'm currently editing, I'm sorry, but the timeline's gonna be a little messed up. But yeah, if you guys want to tag along with me, go ahead and keep on watching, and I really hope you enjoy the video. I'm in line to get in. The line is pretty long. I think I'm still 0.7 miles away from there and it's like completely stopped and it's red. So yeah, we'll see what time I get there. But yeah, I'm super excited. There's so many Subies on the way here. It was so nice. I wasn't able to record so much, but it's okay because I was just enjoying it. So I just got here, so dusty. There was no point in washing my car because it's freaking dusty, but we parked all the way over here. The entrance is right over there, but yeah, here's my car. It's super dusty, as you can tell. It's really bad, but yeah, this is basically it. All the Subies coming in. So I kind of lost the crew. It was a little bit complicated. They were like separating us because I guess there wasn't any more parking. So I'm gonna try to find them right now. I'll just text them or whatever, but we didn't park together, so that sucks. Has the white Brembos. That's something I do want to do to my car. What do you guys think? Maybe not the gold wheels, but I really like the white brakes. spotted Subu. It's my first time seeing his car after he wrapped it. It's so clean. I love the vented hood. Looks so good. Super clean Subu. Love it. Fitment A1. There's a lot of cool cars. I'm getting a lot of inspiration. I really want to wrap my car now and get wheels and lower it and maybe get bags. Just kidding. But yeah, there's a lot of cool cars, so I'm still walking around. But there is a Rallycross event, so I'm gonna go see that. Ooh, this is my friend's sister's car. I love it. She used to have it like this nice white color, but she wrapped it this blue and it's super nice. And for the wrap, she did these like stickers, but it looks like they almost did it under the wrap and it looks so nice. just left the Rallycross area. It was pretty cool, but I think it was like the same driver driving over and over again, so it was alright. But yeah, so we're walking over here. There's more cars, and there's also like food places. I'm for sure gonna do this. I'm heading out now. It's about 2 o'clock. It's super hot and I'm super tired. But yeah, overall it was a pretty good experience. Super hot though. I wish I would have known it was going to be this hot. But yeah, I saw a lot of cool cars. I hope you guys enjoyed the video also. Yeah, I'm getting motivated to start working more on my car. So hopefully I'll do a big mod next.